Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a few days, can't remember when the last time I uploaded was, but yeah, it feels like it's been a while. So I thought, let's talk while I'm just, trying to, I'm not tidying up the bench, but I am trying to get a few things, sort of checked off the proverbial list, so shall we say. So, but while I'm on the topic of just, I was putting this Chiappa Rhino back together, I wanted to talk to you about a gentleman called Thor in the Discord. Now, I called him out in a video long ago saying he needed to do a better grip for the Chiappa. Now, the Chiappa grip doesn't look bad, but in terms of ergonomics and how it feels, it's not bad, it's just not great. So I called him out in a video thinking that, it might be one of them things where it's just, a bit of tongue-in-cheek humour. Me and Thor now talk regularly, almost daily, I would say, in the Discord group. You can all join the Discord group and come and chat to us. The only thing I will say is just be respectful, because we're online most nights. We do get people pop in with the odd question here and there. The only thing I will say is if you're going to come and have a conversation, come and have a conversation. Don't just bombard us with question after question after question, because what it does is it stagnates the conversation in the group. So everybody's welcome. We get people coming into the group, having a chat about Airsoft. It can be absolutely anything. We also chat 3D printing, we chat gaming. But if you're going to come and ask a question, just be respectful. If you're polite and you're respectful, you'll get all the help that we can give you. So, but back on topic, I called him out about the grip, and he did start working on a grip for me. So he's done this grip. I think this is available. I'll put the links down in the description below, but this, you'll see, obviously it's a really bright colour. But this is the final revision for Thor's grip that he did for me. I said I wanted finger grooves, much like the Dan Wesson grip, which is absolutely nailed. I believe he's supplying people these files for free on his printables page. I'll try and get the link and put it down in the description below. So you can literally download the file, print a custom grip for your Chiappa Rhino. And if you do, let's say you do go to the printables page, you print yourself some grips and you put it on your Chiappa Rhino, make sure to put it in the Discord. He's also done some of his own design, so it's not just this one that's available. But this now transforms the Chiappa for me. So there was a couple of revisions that we did, he did. I did relay a bit of feedback, so printing them. I did originally, I was printing them like this in the print bed, which meant that all this internal structure was like super clean, especially coming off the bamboo. But this, I was having problems with this, the finish on the front face. So for the final one that I did, the final test print, which ended up just going onto the Revolver, which I did in red, I printed that down. You do have a couple of issues, you have limitations with 3D printing, so there is just a couple of locating tabs. Now these don't secure the Revolver, the grip to the Revolver. You've got this little metal clamp which does most of the work. He added extra clips. I broke one off. It could be how you print it. You could print it standing up. Have a play with it. Get your pictures in the Discord. Let us know how you get on. But this being the latest revision, I printed it that way up just because I wanted it super smooth on the hand there. And I've tried different materials. Tried PLA Basic, PLA Matte. We also did some in PETG, and the files are very, very good now. And this gives you a very comfortable 3-finger groove grip. And we've also done, Thor has also done, I asked him for a bit of a beaver tail. He did put a beaver tail at the top here, and then I asked him if he could move it down, and it just transforms the Chiappa Rhino. This grip, in my opinion, compared to the original, this grip that he has done, he is a bit of a genius with CAD, is so good that if I'm ever just at the desk and we're talking Airsoft because I have stuff laying around that I'm playing with, if I ever pick this up, I feel like I can't put it down. It's that good. Like, it just feels like it's a bit chunkier than the Dan Wesson grip, because obviously there's limitations in terms of space and the design of the Revolver. And it's I think, is it a more vertical grip? I think it slightly is a bit more vertical compared to the old style. Try and place it here. So yeah, if you've got a Chiappa Rhino and you run it, but you hate the grip, you can go get this. If you've got a 3D printer You can print it at home. If you haven't got a 3D printer, you can take the files and get a buddy or someone else. There's 3D printing services out there. What I will personally do now, I kind of quite like the red. It's a little bit different, you know. You're not being sneaky with a Revolver anyway. The only thing I would do, if I wanted to go one step further, I'd either have this printed in SLS or multi-jet fusion, just to make it perfect, as good as the print can be, and it will be strong as well. I'm not sure how PLA reacts to like stippling. You could probably do a bit of that if you wanted to. You just have to be careful you don't go through, because it's in areas it's not like super thick. But all the hard work he's put in, he does loads of, you know, cool conversions. He's done a lot for the Evo, so the ASG Scorpion Evo, so you can put all kinds of different mags, AK mags, M4 mags. He's done loads, and he does everything that he does, as far as I'm aware, don't quote me if I'm wrong, he releases free. So it's, you know, he also runs the Airsoft 3D printing Reddit, subreddit, or whatever you call it. I'm not too clued up on Reddit. And there's loads of people coming up with crazy cool stuff in that group. So I just wanted to get this across to you. Thor's an absolute legend, and he's done a superb job with this. I have had this for a while now, so I am lagging in terms of getting this video out to show you it. But he was asking me the other day, saying he was ready to put the files online, so I thought, right, now's the best time. I'll ask him for the link. I'll make sure it's in the description. Again, I believe it's free. And yeah, if you've got a Chiappa and you want to make it cooler, more comfortable, you know, technically better performing as well, because you get a better purchase on the grip, it's just a no-brainer. So I thought I'd put that to you today. Thanks for tuning in. Another couple of videos coming up, hopefully. I'll try and get some recorded now. And as always, from me and Bench, we'll see you in the next video.